Welcome to DrawColor. In this video we are going to see how to draw Spinosaurs and some fascinating facts about Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus was one of the largest dinosaurs ever discovered. It could grow up to about 50 to 59 feet long. Spinosaurus had a distinctive sail-like structure on its back made of long spines. It's believed that the sail might have helped it regulate its body temperature or attract mates. Spinosaurus was well adapted for an aquatic lifestyle. Its long and powerful jaws suggest that it mainly ate fish. Its snout was perfect for catching slippery prey in the water. This dinosaur had webbed feet, which would have made it a strong swimmer. It could move through the water efficiently in search of fish. Spinosaurus had large, curved claws on its front limbs. These claws might have been used to grab onto slippery fish or other aquatic creatures. While it mainly walked on two legs like most dinosaurs, it could also move on all fours using its powerful hind limbs and clawed hands. Spinosaurs lived around 112 to 93 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. It likely inhabited river and coastal areas, making the most of its swimming abilities. The first Spinosaurus fossil was discovered in Egypt in the early 20th century. Unfortunately, some of these fossils were destroyed during World War II, making it challenging for scientists to study them fully. In the movie, Jurassic Park the Third, Spinosaurus famously battles against a T-Rex. While the real-life encounter might not have been exactly like the movie, it's still fun to imagine these two massive dinosaurs facing off. Because of the limited fossils and challenges with preservation, there is still much scientists are trying to learn about Spinosaurus. It's an exciting area of research in the field of paleontology. Spinosaurus was a dinosaur that adapted to life in and around water, which makes it quite different from many other dinosaurs. Its unique features and behaviors make it a dinosaur that's both intriguing and mysterious. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos like this.